Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can upload photos in NBA 2K26. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is to just open your browser, and here in the search bar we're gonna type something like this, NBA 2K26 upload, and you'll able to see this site. So just open that. Right here they'll ask you to choose the network, so wherever you are playing the game you can just choose that here. It could be Xbox, PlayStation, Steam or Nintendo Switch. In my case it is Steam, so I'll just select that. Then we need to enter the credentials. Once you complete that process, you'll able to see this kind of screen. So here we need to choose the type to upload. So it could be team logo, arena logo or scorers table. In my case it is team logo, that's why I'll just select this option. Right now we need to choose the location where we have saved that photo which we want to upload. It is in this folder in my case, and the photo which I want to upload is this one right here. So I'll just double click on that. Now you can see that the width and height should be 1:1. To fix this kind of error, what you can do, just go and open your file explorer. Right here we'll just go to the location where we have saved the photo and just hit right click on the image, go to the option open with and select paint 3D. Right here we'll go to crop. Since they have told us to the image should be in 1:1 aspect ratio, that's why we'll select this option 1:1 and just click on done. Then just close this, select the option save. Again we're gonna select this same option and try to upload the image again. So here you can see the preview. Once you're happy with the preview, you can just click on upload now, agree and submit. And yeah, there you go, the image has been successfully uploaded on the side. Here you can upload up to 50 images. But yeah, that's there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.